Hey, it's the Art Chick here. Hope you're having a good day. Today's video is going to be kind of like an upcycle. I got this for $5 at a Dollar General store, and I thought, oh my gosh, I could totally just redo this. And right here, you just basically 2 coats of pretty thick paint. You let it dry, you do your second coat. I figured you didn't really want to see me painting it because you know how to. Just remember that be careful not to get it on the edges, and I tried right here and I got it up a little bit more than I liked, so I kind of redid it. You'll see right here I just went up the corner. Have a wet rag ready, and if you get a little bit on the edge you can just quickly wipe it off. You could sand it also if it's really hard. This part you kind of probably should have done before the painting, but I had this idea afterwards. And you don't need to do this if you're scared of the torch. I have videos on how to torch, so you could always go back and look at those. I was scared in the beginning, but my husband kind of taught me how to do it, and now I'm not scared anymore, so it's good. It's a few minutes, and then you're ready to go. I purchased this mold. I love this. I love frogs, and this one kind of came out. See how that right on his foot, it's like a big glob, and I was saving it because I'm still going to use this because I love that mold, and I have a great idea for it. I thought for this part I would leave it in. I don't usually do a lot on like preparation, and I wanted you to see like how much actual glitter goes in, how much resin, because when you put glitter in resin, it could really gum it up, so you have to be really careful. And when you're mixing, keep mixing until you see glitter at the top of the resin. So then you know it's all the way through. It kind of needs a lot. I fast forward and I cut some out here, but see how it's like rising to the top. And before you pour it, sometimes you might need to do an extra little mix. Now that's complete. And now I want to show you how much paint I put in. It's really not a lot, because if you put too much paint in, it will mess up your resin also. Just a little dab, and you're good to go. Mix it really thoroughly. Of course, make sure it's level. I'm just going to let you continue to watch this video. Today I use the Epodex resin. I will put a link in the description. It's a great resin. Check them out because they have a USA website, and the resin is just really clear. I did not have to torch this resin, which is amazing. But please check that out and enjoy the video.